Alright, now this video is a very important video for all the Galaxy phone users out there because I'm going to be talking about a very critical and important feature called theft detection on your Galaxy phone. And I did test this feature on the Galaxy phone and I will tell you whether this feature really works or not. Before we go ahead, if you're new on the channel and if you want to stay updated with everything that's happening with your phone, then be sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this video informative. And if you're interested in this wallpaper, it's available on our Volvers application. You can go ahead and check out the link in the description. There are some beautiful collections on this app. Now let's dive in. First of all, let's understand what exactly is this theft protection. Now, if you go to the settings and tap on security and privacy, here you will see lost device protection. Now this is a major category or option. When you tap on that, you will see two options: Find My Mobile and Theft Protection. Now, theft protection is a category under which you've got various different options, including the theft detection lock. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about only the theft detection lock, whether this feature really works or not. Now, apart from this option, we do have identity check, offline device lock, failed authentication lock, remote lock. All of this come under theft protection, which is a multi-layered security suite designed to block unauthorized access, safeguard personal data, and prevent thieves from resetting or turning off your device. Now, under this suite, we have got theft detection lock, which locks the screen if it's detected that someone took your phone and ran away. That is what exactly it says. This feature will lock the screen if it's detected that someone took your phone and ran away. Now let me tell you that this feature uses your device's motion sensors as well as its Wi-Fi and smart device connections to try and detect if someone takes your phone abruptly and runs away. This is what exactly Google says on this particular feature. Now, for this feature to work, there are some prerequisites as well, which I will talk about it in a minute. But let's first answer this question, whether theft detection lock works on your Galaxy phone or not. In my testing, this feature didn't really work. I did test this multiple times and the test I did was kind of funny. I asked my wife to use the phone, and while she was using the phone, I just snatched it from her hand and started running away from her. I did run away for a few meters, but the phone did not get locked. It never detected that the phone has been snatched. So yes, this feature did not work in my testing, but did I really consider all the prerequisites or not? Let's talk about that now. The first thing is the theft detection lock needs to be turned on, which I did. Second, active screen and use. The phone must be actively unlocked and in use while somebody snatches it for the AI to register suspicious movement such as a sudden snatch and run. That is the second condition. The third one is apparently the phone is supposed to lose the Wi-Fi connection as well. The AI will recognize that the phone was on the Wi-Fi connection, and when somebody snatched it and ran away, it lost the Wi-Fi connection. The motion sensors did recognize the snatch and run, and at the same time, the phone also lost the Wi-Fi connection, and that meets the condition of snatch and run. So the phone is supposed to detect that as somebody has snatched it and ran away. But that did not happen either. And the next condition, sensors and AI. The phone's motion sensors must be active, and on-device AI must detect physical movement and context that suggests theft. And the next condition is the location services and Bluetooth must be toggled on so your device can evaluate its surroundings. Last but the most important one is you should not have set up the trusted location on your Galaxy phone. If you have set up your house address or house location coordinates as the safe zone, then this feature will not be working. But I did not set that up as well. I was on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. I did lose the Wi-Fi when I snatched and ran. The phone was being used and it was active, and the phone's motion sensors and location both were on. So the test did meet all the requirements, and yet the AI or the phone did not recognize the snatch and run, and it did not lock the device. Now that is a bummer. And I would say I may be wrong in testing this. If you think I'm wrong here, you can let me know in the comment section. We all are here to have a healthy discussion. Do drop your opinion in the comment section, and do let me know whether this feature worked for you, if at all you have tested this, or maybe you can go ahead and test this feature. Do check and let me know whether this theft detection lock is working or not, whether your phone is getting locked or not when you snatch the phone from somebody else's hand while it was being in use. Drop a comment and let me know. Now, I would say this is a great feature as long as it's working. If it doesn't work, it is just for the namesake which is available there. And I really wish I'm wrong here, and I really wish this feature works on the Galaxy phones or any of the Android phones. Now here I'm talking about only one feature, that is theft detection lock, which may not be working properly. But otherwise, Samsung and Google do offer the other options like identity check, offline device lock, failed authentication lock, remote lock. These are all very, very important security features which you need to enable. And I'm going to test these as well in the future videos, and I'll come back to you guys and let you know whether all other theft protection features are working on the Galaxy phone or not. That's about it. These videos take a lot of efforts to make, so if you want to appreciate it, do go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. If you subscribe, you get to learn a lot about your Galaxy phones. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It is not going to cost you anything. And do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some amazing premium and free collections available, and almost every day we keep adding new wallpapers on this app so that you don't get bored of the wallpapers. Go ahead, the link for the application is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.